it though.
Go!
I just want him to live for the rumors to go away.
Mary! Oh my God! Mary!
Oh, come on, we're going for the. Yep. Yeah, the sandwich is kind of smothered in hot peppers.
Oh, it's on your shirt.
Dude, there's water all over the floor. Look.
Really?
Know where the cookies are.
Oh, God!
You really think I'm gonna pick that up and look at it?
She got me more than you.
He's gonna fake.
Babushka!
Okay, go on.
Can you go like this?
Ah!
Oh, ow! What happened? Ow!
Stop. I think you hurt me.
Stop it!
It's true.
Those are pretty good to chew on, aren't they? Yeah, I know.
It's got a spit on you.
Oh.
That was funny. You got your sunglasses. Oh, look at him. He's trying to put them on.
Alright, I'll say when he's coming downstairs.
Are we gonna play 4-on-4?
When? Oh my God! No!
I am going to pay him $100 to crack 3 eggs over his head. Ready? Here we go.
Where's the third one?
I'm only doing 2. I'm not gonna pay him.
Oh,
Seriously, if it's
I just need you to help me out. Like, can you, like, you want to see it?
No!
You want to see the mouse?
No. Dad, just...
You want to see the mouse? I could've.
I'm sorry. We are having difficulty contacting you. If this is Tyler R., please say yes.
Yes.
I heard Alex Kavanaugh. Is that correct? I'm sorry for the misunderstanding. Goodbye.
It sounds just like the vacuum that's moving.
Yeah. Disaster.
Sorry, you're under arrest.
He is awesome.